everyone. Just come to share with you 2 blank journals and ephemera kits that I've made up. I've already done this video and silly me videoed it on slow-mo. So doing it again. So I didn't put all this back in the bags that I already had them in. The journals are, I've got the pink one and a blue one. I'll show you the blue one second. It's Traveller's Notebook size, 8 1/4 by 4.5. There is 76 pages front and back. We have the double pocket on the cover. There's just some string here holding it closed, and we have a large tag in the top pocket, 2 tags in the bottom, and we have some crocheted trim, stamped out the word cherish, made a kind of full ticket looking thing. We have a ticket here with a butterfly and some eyelash trim. Do a quick flip. I've also listed 6 journal ephemera kits that are also listed in my shop. There was a glitch with that earlier. I think it was our internet, it just wouldn't upload. And I did have a few messages saying they've gone already. Actually no, they haven't, because when the video went out, the items weren't actually listed in the shop. Well, they were, but they just wouldn't go live for some reason. But it's all sorted now. So that is the journal. Right, you will get some eyelash trim, some crocheted trim. We have 2 of these pockets. If you've watched my videos and see what I put in my journals, I always put one of these in. So you've got 2, a lefty and a righty. There's 2 of these. They all unfold, and I would only glue 2 sides on so that it can all flip out, and then you've got loads of hidden journal space. 2 of these little corner flip ups. There is 6 little butterflies that you can decorate with. There is 2 bridge scorecards. There is 4 index cards. There is 2 of these coin envelopes, 2 of these envelopes, 2 of these larger coin envelopes, 3 of these large tags which have got a shimmer to them. They have been coffee dyed and stenciled and inked up around the edges. 4 doilies, paper bag, this little envelope, 2 little square envelopes, be nice to decorate and put on a page, 4 swatches of paper, they are roughly 4 by 4, these tags, coffee dyed, stenciled and stamped, this little bag, this glassine envelope, this little pocket. We have some music paper. There is 4 little dictionary pages. There is 5 vintage postcards, and they are different in the other pack, but that one I thought that was really funny. Whoops. This one here, and this one here. These little cards, and this journal card. This journal card. We have 4 little cameras, 3 little mason jars that you can cut out, 3 of these monthly calendars that you can cut out, 3, these are like Project Life I think, 2 window envelopes, and these were the bags that I had them in. So I'm going to move this to one side so I can show you the blue one. Blue one I've packed away. Right, blue one, it's more or less the same. It's got 2 tags in here. This one says believe, crocheted trim, love, and the roses there. large tag, same size, same amount of pages as the pink one. It'll all be detailed on the listing. There's lots of potential. And when I put my journals together, I always use the 3-hole pamphlet stitch. So that is the blue one. Isn't that a lovely pretty colour? Both covers have been sewn onto white cardstock as well, so it's nice and thick. With this one, there's just a few different things. The butterflies are obviously same colour as the cover, like the main. So you get 6 of them. There is 4 of these little cards. There is, see, I've muddled all these up. Right, there is 5 of them, I'll show you them in a minute. So you've got 3 of these Project Life cards, this large journaling card, this one here, the cameras, the little mason jars, the calendars, little envelope, 2 square envelopes, the 4 swatches of paper, 6 tags, a little envelope, a little glassine envelope, another little pocket. This is just a note, some music paper, 4 of these little dictionary pages like the other one. Here is the postcards. There's this one and this one. These ladies here, well, she looks like a little lady, not a child, playing hopscotch. They look very busy at work. And then this one. Then there's a paper bag, 4 doilies, 3 large tags, the envelopes, 2 of them, 2 of these, 2 of them, 4 index cards, 2 bridge scorecards, 2 window envelopes, and then inside here we've just got the pockets, again like the other one, and the eyelash trim and the crocheted trim, the 2 corner flips, these 2 pockets, lefty righty, and lefty and righty of this one as well. So that is the kits. They will be listed in my shop. You can check out my other journal kits that I have on there as well. And if you have any questions, just ask. And thanks for watching. Bye.